Today we're going to run through the Visual Script Builder in the Rayfin. So scripting in the Rayfin lets us program different types of operations, and that can be used in autonomous settings for doing long-term deployments when you're connected to a battery, and various other forms of operations. So first off, we've got our camera opened up here in the software. We can go to the menu and down to the other Rayfin settings section, and from here we can open the script builder. So this is going to launch in the browser. This is a different application that's running on the camera itself, so we can start building out the kind of operation that we want. So we've got all of our different options over here, and you can see it's a block coding interface, which is a somewhat new way of doing coding for different applications. And we felt like this was a good way to lower the barrier for clients to be able to get in and start doing their own scripts. So we can have an if block here, and I'll go to the capture settings and take a look at if is recording, and we can say if we're recording, then we can call stop. So this is obviously a super basic script that'll just kind of show you a very basic example of something that we can do and how we can just drag out and click things together. Things are color coded, so if you try to grab a different color block and fit it in, it won't actually go inside that block. They're not compatible. So you always want to try to make sure that you're using blocks that are compatible with one another. We also have the ability to save and load different scripts. We have each camera is shipped with a bunch of example scripts that you can use to build your own as a reference. And we can see here we can set the recording presets and the encoder, and this will set everything up. We've got our LED, our lamp turning on and off, and that's just a visual indicator to let us know that the script is running and is working as expected. So we can also run hibernation from here, and this will put the camera into hibernation mode, and then it will sleep in a very low power state for very long-term deployments. And another feature that we have is the ability to arm a script. And what arming a script does is this will launch the script when the camera starts up. So if, for example, we wanted to launch this script every time the camera starts, so now we've got our script armed, and it will launch the next time the camera boots up. So this is great for long-term deployment when you want the same thing to happen after the camera wakes up from being asleep. This is a super powerful feature, and you can do a lot of different things. And this is only, of course, a short demo just to show you the basics. But we have a full API that you can look through on our Help Center. And if you have any questions, please contact team or support at subccontrol.com. Thanks.